All right, family, we're about to try the Jondon Matrix Ink Away Advanced Stain Remover. Wow, it worked. It works, man. Jondon Ink Away. Come on there.
Yes, family. Yes, family. Yeah, man, we out here. We out here. Getting things done. Where am I supposed to go? Left or right? Look, subscribe. Thank you for coming back. Carpet cleaning training with Dreddy. Bang, bang, bang. We at it again. It's Friday, man. Look, make sure y'all have a safe weekend. Just don't be wilding out here, man. Get these contacts. Get these jobs. All right? I think, let me see. I might be doing some pressure washing this weekend. Yes, on the 4th of July. Yeah. But, guys, Jondon got this ink product. I wanted to show you guys in case you're looking for, a good product to take ink out. Now, sometimes you could have the ink to where it won't come out, even with the best chemical. It depends on how long it's been there. It depends on the type of ink. But if that doesn't work, then you have to go to second phase, and the second phase is doing a patch. You can't get around it. It's just some stuff you can't clean out. You gotta rip it out. It's like a cancer. You gotta. So that's the options, all right? Guys, thanks for coming back. Carpet cleaning training with Dreddy. We love you. Share the videos. We're here in Orlando. If you need anything done, guess what? I got you, man. You need some pressure washing done, I got you. All right? I do that on the side. And if you need carpet cleaning done, make sure you leave, drop a comment or contact me. All right? And we can get out to your house, to your business, to your church, to your daycare, and get it popping. Get it popping. Get it popping. So, peace in here, Grease. Love you. Be safe out there this weekend. Don't do what I wouldn't do. All right? Be courteous to others. Be patient. Drive safe. Don't drive like a maniac. And don't play with fires. Hey, I'm out. Peace.
You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
Well, Aaron, celebrations for the 4th of July happened several days leading up to and after the holiday. Now, the owners of this injured cat think it was people who were celebrating who targeted their pet.
It almost looked like somebody shot him in the face. And, you just think, what kind of person would do that?
Tiger the cat is recovering from what might be a malicious and heinous act. His owners live on the Pewaukee Pueblo, and about a week ago, they say they saw people playing with fireworks at night. The next day,
Tiger had burn marks, his whiskers were burned, all the hair on his throat, and he had a burn to his cornea, his right eye.
thanks to veterinarian Sarah Cowan, Tiger is expected to be okay. His owners told the Santa Fe Animal Shelter that tribal police are investigating for animal abuse. The incident has Dr. Cowan and shelter staff worried as the 4th of July comes and goes.
The best thing to do is to make sure that your animal's not around any fireworks or any fireworks display.
Fireworks won't just burn pets like Tiger. Their loud pops and bright flashes send animals running.
Because the dogs, when they're frightened, they're going to do everything they can to get out. What's terrible is when a dog gets scared, they won't look. They'll just run out to the street and they might be injured.
Like Popeye, who was recently hit by a car. He ended up at the Santa Fe Animal Shelter, where many scared or injured pets end up this time of year. It's the reason shelter staff want you to keep your furry friends safe and indoors this Independence Day. Now, Tiger's whiskers are expected to grow back, and his eye is also expected to heal. Dr. Cowan says that this cat was lucky that it wasn't worse. Aaron, back to you.
Right? You know, by the time I clean it, it's gonna be gone. It's already gone. Ink Away Advanced Stains Remover. Remove stubborn stains and inks.